Tired of seeing someone post but don't want to unfollow them? Here's a quick way to do it. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to mute someone's Instagram post. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First open the Instagram and click on the search icon and search for the user you want to mute the post. Select their profile from the search result. Now tap the following button to open the menu. Select the mute from the option. Then toggle the post to mute their Instagram post. Additionally, you can also mute their story if you want. And just like that, no more unwanted Instagram post in your feed. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.